Welcome back! I was supposed to drop this on May 4th, but I kinda missed that date. I wanted to show you a quick video of how I put together this Darth Vader samurai. I picked up the file from Yosh Studios. I'll put a link in the description below. I picked this up a few months ago and I'm just getting around to printing, painting, and putting this together. To save time, I sent the pieces to both of my resin printers, the Uniformation GK3 and the Elegoo Saturn IV. Both of them printed these pieces pretty quickly, and both build plates allowed me to put a lot of the pieces on them while the printed process was taking place. After the printing was completed, I cleaned the files, cured them, and spray painted them with a base coat. When done, it should look something like this. I used this glittering Lewd Gold speed paint for all the gold spots on the model. As you can see here, I started with the helmet, applying gold to all the necessary spots. When the helmet was done, I used a smaller brush and applied the gold to the chest piece. When completed, it looked something like this. I worked on the shin guards next. Again, I used a fine brush to get into the tight spots. I applied the metallic metal to all the pieces that required it. Here are a few pieces that have completed the painting process already. I still have a lot of paint to go though. I guess this is what a headless Darth Vader looks like. An all white Darth Vader definitely looks weird. I'm gonna have to add some color to the sculpture. Stay tuned to see what it looks like when I'm done painting it.
If you like the content, please consider liking, subscribing, and commenting on the video. It helps my channel grow. Now let's get back to the video.
I added the remaining colors to the sculpture and it looks something like this. Stay tuned for the final reveal. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video, and as always, may the Force be with you.